right, triangle 7, we have a right triangle. We're trying to find the missing angle down there, that symbol there, Greek letter of theta. So we're trying to find theta down here. Well, let's see what we have. Over here is your opposite side, which we don't care about. There's no measurement there, so that's not helping us. We have the hypotenuse here, which is always across from where the right angle is. And then we have this guy right here, which is our adjacent side. So we have adjacent hypotenuse. So we need to think, hey, is that sine? Is that cosine? Is that tangent? So we do that little some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on acid. Okay, it's a stupid little expression, but it's catchy. It makes us remember it. So A and H. A and H is the C. That's the cosine. So we know the cosine of theta, that missing angle, is equal to adjacent. I got to put adjacent first. 14 over the hypotenuse of 22. Now, I got to find theta, the cosine of 30 degrees. Is that 14, 12 to 20 seconds? I don't know. But the easy way is I got to get rid of the word cosine. So we're simply going to take the inverse cosine. But if I do it there, I must do it here. Inverse cosine of cosine goes away. You have just theta is equal to the inverse cosine of 14 20 seconds. So we grab a calculator and we do the inverse cosine, 14 over 22, we have our answer of theta. But we need to make sure our calculator is in degree mode. If we go to Desmos, we need to make sure we hit the little wrench and say, usually it's going to be in radians, so you're going to need to click it and turn it to degrees. And then you're good. And then you can say, okay, let's pull up this. It doesn't have the inverse cosine, so we have to hit functions. It'll be right here under inverse trig functions. Inverse cosine comes up, and you and I forgot my numbers. We were doing 14 over 22, so 14. Oops, we're outside. Better fix that problem. Let's click on the inside here, do 14 divided by 22, and it says, hey, it's about 50.5 degrees. So we come back and we say, hey, about approximately 50.5 degrees is this theta right here. That corner is going to be about that measurement of 50.5 degrees if this leg is 14 and that's 22. It's pretty cool stuff if you ask me.